Welcome to Meadow View Estate. This pristine modern farmhouse is located on a quiet cul-de-sac, and it's actually perched up overlooking a beautiful meadow with outstanding views and privacy. Come on in. So this open floor plan is 4,883 square feet of custom craftsmanship. Here in the great room right now with these soaring ceilings. I just love the beamwork. Gourmet kitchen, billiard room, den, and 4 bedroom suites. This place is absolutely stunning. This home sits on 1.25 acres with views for miles. It's meticulously landscaped and hardscaped with a swim spa, hot tub, fire pit, and outdoor barbecue. As you can see, perfectly ideal for entertaining.